Okay, if you are seeing this video, it's because you have successfully made it up to the introduction of this free graphics design masterclass training. Let's start. Now we are on the introductory document, free graphics design certification training. Welcome. Alright, I will just give a rundown of this program or this certification training today, so you know what you're about to indulge in, you know what you're about to learn. It is good to have the exact knowledge of what you're about to learn, your expectations, and what you become after that. Description. My name is Etumbe Ewah Godlove. I am a certified Adobe instructor for Photoshop and graphics design. Now, if you are struggling with Photoshop, or you are somebody who has always wanted to learn graphics design to use his professional skill, maybe in his own personal use or in adding to your CV for your job to get more opportunities of getting a job, then mind you, this course is for you. This course is for you. Even if you are there, you just want to learn it for fun and to know it, this course is still for you. I started learning Photoshop from the beginning just for fun. So long as you have the passion of learning it, you will know it at the end. So I will teach you everything in this course that you need to know about Adobe Photoshop. I mean everything, no joke, everything. Photoshop, you will learn Photoshop for graphics designing in particular. That is what we'll be doing. We'll work on a lot of projects, and I will also teach you or help you how to build your portfolio for employment. I know a lot of people don't know what it means by portfolio. It is something like a curriculum vitae, but more digital and online. It has proof of the things you have done, and all the rest. Now, this course is also for a beginner. You may be there doubting that, yes, I really want to learn graphics design, but I've never used Photoshop before. I don't even know what is Photoshop. Will I be able to learn this? Yes, of course, you'll be able. I started Photoshop training as an amateur. I knew nothing about Photoshop. So if I'm successful in it, it definitely means that you as a student too, you will be. So whether you have any previous knowledge of Photoshop or photography or design, or you don't have, you will still work your way through this course, because it is a step-by-step training. It is a step-by-step training. I will be teaching you all the secret sources of Photoshop, everything necessary. Yes, from how to completely remove somebody from the background of an image, how to manipulate an image. I mean, you name it, everything Photoshop has to do or can ever do. Yes. So if for you who have already been able to open Photoshop before, or you are struggling with the basics, or maybe you have followed a class under graphics design but you did not understand, I guarantee you this course will be very explicit, very, very explicit. And what is the best part of the course? All the students who will score 70% and above in this training will earn a professional certificate that can help boost your CV. Yes, let me just say it from the beginning. The course is free for everybody, but the professional certificate is only for those who score a pass mark. Only for those who score a pass mark. That is to say 70% and above. Don't be frightened. It is not difficult to score a pass in a course. So don't be like, well, how will I do to get 70%? All the students in this program must pass. They must pass. Now, you should also know that the best 5 students, that is those who score from 98% to 100%, will get a free entry to my premium graphics masterclass, which is soon coming. That is the class where I teach you everything that concerns online designing. you get to know what it means by UI UX designing. Yes, you have a free entry to that premium masterclass for the first 5 students, the best 5 students, I mean to say. Now, who is this course for? This course is for anyone who wants to start using Photoshop in their career and get paid for their Photoshop skills. It's also for newbies, amateurs, graphic designer, motion graphic artists, Illustrator users, and any creative person who wants to design their own graphics and edit their own photos from scratch. What is the necessary requirement for this training? Adobe Photoshop, preferably the latest CS6 version. So I remember telling you people on the group, sending you links on how to download it, and some people were like, they were not able to download. So I will create a video on how to download the Photoshop and install it. Now, another requirement, no prior knowledge or experience with Photoshop is required. All you need is a working computer that Photoshop can be installed inside, your mobile phone, your internet, and you are good to go. You do not need textbooks to write notes or whatsoever. You don't need to buy any notes here. The moment you have registered for this training, every requirement or every necessity for the training will be sent to you. What will you learn in this training? Now we go into the curriculum itself, or the syllabus of the training. You will be able to start earning money from your Photoshop skills. That is the first thing you should know. You will be able to add Photoshop to your CV. You will be able to have over 20 of your own projects added to your portfolio, which I will teach you how to build for those who don't have portfolio. You will create a social media post for social media post images for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, you name it. You will also be able to mask anything, including the dreaded hair. That is to say, cut out anything from the image. You know how to do clear-cut images. You know how to create. You know how to do clear-cut images. You know how to create amazing typography. You will create popular visual styles. You will create distorted images. You will create graphics from scratch. You will retouch photographs like a professional. Create posters, create advertisement, resize images, build a flyer, change the color of images, fix the colors in photographs. You will change eye and hair colors. You will combine 2 photographs to create amazing composition. You will put a storm in a teacup. Yeah, that is image manipulation. You will create text that looks like stone. You will build a logo. You will build a logo with a type that wraps around it like a badge. You will create text that wraps around a woman. You will build a multi-page banner advertisement for a project. Yes, a multi-page banner advertisement. You will create more background in an image from thin air. You will remove people from image. You will clear cut images of people. So you name it, the program is long. All you need to do is to just stick to the on. I will send you people this introductory document so you can go through it yourself. So this course includes 11-hour on-demand video, which will be maybe more than that. Yes, because I'm still building the course and adding up some resources on it. It has 65 downloadable resources, full lifetime access. You can access the course at any time so long as you are registered already. You can access it on mobile and TV, even on your tablet. It has a lot of assignments, and lastly, certificate of completion. Now, these are the key topics to everything that I just explained up there of what you'll be able, the key syllables. So Photoshop, welcoming, and image introduction, getting around, retouch, heal, and all the rest. Now, exercise 5. I will put the link below that you will use to download this exercise 5. I'll put the link into the video description because you need to follow along. There are 2 files that you need to have from the beginning. That is the exercise file and the project file. Yes, exercise file and project file, because you need all the images that I'll be using to walk along. You use the same tool to walk along. So I'll put the link where you need to use to download the images. Yes, and this is the class code. So I'm ensuring that everybody who has this document will have this class code. The moment you just click on this link, and oh, mind you, if you open this class code, for example, let me just copy it and say I want to open it this way. Not just the class code, but most of the codes that I've sent to you. There will be codes that will be protected from automated bots, that is to say robots online, because nowadays there are people who use online robots to scan or hack into your informations and use them. So if you see, like I've clicked, this is a link that just opened. If I'm seeing this, is because they want to verify if truly I'm a robot or not. So forget about all these things that you see here. All what you just have to do is to calm down and click I am a human. The moment you click I'm a human, you wait. All this is just to verify whether you are truly a human or not. Now it opens now on the second section. You wait for this thing to pass. Once as it's done, don't click on any of these two. These are ads, promotion. You just come down to get link. Click on get link, it will open the link. Now in case of any complication, you just write me. I will send you the personal link. Whenever I click on a link on the document and it does not open, just write on Telegram, link of this did not open. I will send you another link just for you personally. This is a generalized link, so that is why you have to pass through all of this. But if a particular student does not succeed in getting the document, just write me. I will send you a personalized link. And lastly, please always check your emails, because as the training will be going by, when there are opportunities out there that can help you, I may post the job opportunities better on your email and not the group. That one is personal, so I don't generalize the opportunities in the Telegram channel. I'll be sending it back to your personal emails. Alright, this is what the class looks like. This is Flipgrid that I told you people to download. I don't know if everybody has downloaded them on their computer already or on their smartphones, as I said, but it is necessary to have this software on your computer and your smartphone. So when you get the software, as soon as you click on that link that I showed you in the document, you will fall directly to this dashboard and you'll see graphics design masterclass. You've seen already 2 topics I've created. This is a teacher view, but when you get into it, you will see the student view. The student view will be different from the teacher view. Now the second video I'll make is to show you how to go about in the student view. Or even if I don't make the video, I'll link another video that has already been made that is easy and explicit on how to go through the Flipgrid, how to take down notes, comment on a particular video or a particular class. I mean, because the class will be very, very interactive, very interactive. Alright, I think this is the end of the video, and see you in the next video.